Welcome! Today I'm with FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper. So first of all you should go to the settings and choose display. Then tap on the wallpaper and here you will see the live wallpapers, photos and wallpapers. I'm going to use the live wallpapers, for example. Okay, we have no live wallpapers. Okay, so I'll choose just wallpapers, and now you can choose, for example, this one. Tap to the mark, set wallpaper, and we need to change just the lock screen, for example. So tap on the lock screen, and now we'll check. Yeah, look, now we just changed the lock screen wallpapers. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.